You cannot come to Denmark without trying some traditional Danish food, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most popular dishes from this country, Frikadeller or meatballs with Brun Sovs. So let's get started. First we will grate an onion and 2 cloves garlic. Add a mix of ground pork and veal into the bowl. Add 2 eggs, salt, pepper, breadcrumbs, flour, and knead them well to mix. Gradually stir in the milk and mix until well combined. In a large pan, melt half cup of butter on a medium-high heat. Scoop up the meat mixture with a spoon and form into an oval meatball about the size of a small egg. Place the meatballs in a clockwise pattern around the pan, so in that way you will be able to remember which one you have to flip first. Fry them until nicely brown and cook through for about 5 minutes on each side. Then set aside on a plate until you have finished the whole batch. Meanwhile, we can make the brown sauce. To make it, you will melt 2 tablespoons butter in a saucepan. Add a sliced onion, sugar, then saute for about 3 to 5 minutes until the sugar caramelizes. Add flour to form a roux. Pour slowly the beef stock in. And also the heavy cream. Add a few drops of gravy coloring, but you can skip this if you don't have it. Season with salt, pepper, and our sauce is done. How you want to serve this is totally up to you. You can serve it over rice, pasta, rye bread, however you want it. But my personal way to eat is Danish meatball just with some boiled potatoes. Go to LoveThatBite.com for the full description. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you do, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get a new update video. I'll see you next time. Bye!